to invite the leader of delegation for Tanzania, Honorable Anita Among, who is also of Uganda, sorry, my pardon, Uganda, Honorable Anita Among, the Speaker of the Republic, Parliament of Uganda. Asanteni sana.
Your Excellency Dr. William Ruto, the Chair of the Speakers Panel, allow me to ride on the protocol that has been mentioned before. Your Excellency Dr. William, we want to thank you so much for the conducive environment that you have put and for the courtesies that we have got since we came to Kenya and to Mombasa. Your Excellency, we want to bring greetings from the forefathers of EAC, and that is His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, who is a forefather of EAC. As we celebrate the 25th, as we celebrate these games today we are making 25 years of EAC. And the 25 years of EAC is on integration of the East African community. As the presidents of the East African community, we want you to go back and reflect. Have we achieved what we ought to have achieved within the time that we are having now as presidents? Your Excellency, as a chairman of EAC, it is also an agreed position from the speakers that the speakers should also be involved or included in the EAC protocol. And EAC, EALA should pass that law to include all the speakers in the protocol of EAC. Your Excellency, we want to thank our chairperson of the speakers panel for arranging these sports. We are here as Uganda, the Pearl of Africa, to widen, to deepen, and tighten the East African integration. And as we are here, in the spirit of brotherhood, we wish all of you well. Your win is our win as East Africa. I say this for God and my country.
Your Excellency, allow me